Here's the news of the day for May 8th of 2025.
Joby Aviation reported record certification progress, pilot on-board transition flights, and a UK partnership with Virgin Atlantic, while naming Rodrigo Brumana as CFO and ending Q1 with $813 million in cash.
SkyDrive, 7A drones, and ITRI are partnering to launch emergency eVTOL services in Taiwan's Penghu Islands, with a focus on connecting remote islets for medical transport, starting in 2028.
Horizon Aircraft has appointed electric propulsion expert Justin Chapman as a senior advisor to support development of its hybrid eVTOL Cavorite X7, strengthening its push toward real-world operational readiness.
Xenodrone is testing a new camera for its IQ Nano drone swarms, enabling faster indoor barcode scanning and AI-powered security for commercial and US defense applications.
Alpine Helicopters has partnered with Camp Systems to deploy advanced maintenance and inventory tools, enhancing fleet reliability, safety, and operational efficiency across 40 helicopters.
Whisk Aero has named Sebastian Vigneron as CEO to lead the Gen 6 air taxi program, leveraging his deep engineering expertise as the company moves towards certification and commercialization.
Rotortrade delivered an Airbus AS350B3 Plus to Iceland's Norderflug for tourism and heli-skiing, overcoming engine supply challenges to ensure the aircraft entered commercial service.
Regent and FAAC are leading a US Coast Guard-approved training program for Viceroy Sea Glider crews, combining simulators, virtual tools, and hands-on instruction to meet global maritime standards.
Renovar Fuels appointed Michael Fishwick and Deborah Delaney to lead UK and EU sustainable fuel projects, including a £12 million SAF site in Northern Ireland, set for 2026.
BP received UK Defence Standard approval to co-process SAF with up to 30 HEFA feedstock, enabling higher SAF production using existing refinery units.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.